Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering the Hindu dated the 16th of April 2026 and telling you what to read and what to skip for UPSC aspirants. These are the most important international relations, global security and geopolitics topics from today's newspaper. If you are reading the Hindu dated the 16th of April 2026, then do not waste time reading everything. I will tell you the most important international affairs articles for UPSC. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First big topic, West Asia crisis. You can read these articles. Xi meets Russian foreign minister as leaders flock to China over West Asia war. Page 16 World. Trump asked China's Xi not to give Iran weapons. Page 16 World. Israeli support for Iran attacks slumps. Page 16 World. Israeli military strikes south of Beirut amid talks in Washington. Page 16 World. Why important? West Asia remains one of the most sensitive geopolitical regions in the world. Current tensions involve Iran, Israel, the United States, Lebanon and major global powers. Any military escalation in this region can affect global peace and oil supply. It can also disrupt shipping routes and international trade. China and Russia are using diplomacy to expand their strategic influence. The United States continues to play a major security role in the region. Lebanon and non-state actors also make the conflict more complex. For India, West Asia is important because of energy imports, Indian diaspora and maritime trade. Very important for GS Paper 2, GS Paper 3, Essay and Prelims. Possible UPSC questions. Why is West Asia strategically important for India? How do regional conflicts affect global energy markets? What is the role of great powers in West Asia? Next topic, Hungary election. You can read this article. What changed in Hungary's election? Page 10 Explainer. Why important? Hungary is an important European country and member of the European Union. Its elections are closely watched because they reflect debates over nationalism, migration, democracy and European integration. The defeat of longtime leader Viktor Orban signals political change. It also shows that democratic systems continue to evolve through elections. This topic is useful for comparative politics and democratic trends across the world. Very important for prelims, essay and interviews. Possible UPSC questions. How do elections shape foreign policy? What is comparative politics? Why are European elections globally significant? Next topic, South China Sea dispute. You can read this article. China moves to block entrance to disputed South China Sea shoal. Page 16 World. Why important? The South China Sea is one of the most contested maritime regions in the world. Many countries including China, Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia and others have overlapping claims. China increasing